Why did I choose the fishing industry? The fishing industry chose me, actually. My name is Maihi-Pomare. I'm 26 years of age, and I'm the assistant factory manager on the Sand Discovery. So mainly my job involves making sure that the product that comes out of the factory is processed quickly, safely. So they've put me through all the necessary trainings that are required for my position. So I've still got to maintain my duties as assistant factory manager, but at the same time, I'm still being taught up from the current factory manager. So every trip I'm always learning something new, every single trip. We get fed really good out of here. When I first joined, I thought we were going to be eating soups for dinner, but I was totally wrong. You get your roasts pretty much nearly every night. You get your steaks. Whatever you eat up on land is what you get fed here. So there'll be 4 people in the cabin. 2 of them might be males, 2 of them might be females, but the female and the male are never in the cabin at the same time, okay? Because the way we work out the shifts, the 2 female will be on the same shift, so they'll knock off and they'll go to bed at the same time. And then the males obviously have the room to themselves. It's a good job, and if it's a young person starting out, you're out at sea for 6 weeks or even maybe longer. And so while you're out at sea, you're earning all this money and you can't spend it. That's the best thing about our job is we can't spend our money because we're out at sea for 6 weeks. And so when we get back, we've got all this money. Rest is key. You have to be mentally prepared. The work is hard, but it's also very rewarding. And other than that, you'll meet a lot of people along the way, different characters, and all in all, it's a really good lifestyle.